It actually feels good to ride in a group. ಇಂದ ಪೋವಣೋ ನೀನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಬ್ರೋ. Okay, so right now we are a group of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Yeah, 8 of them. 4 plus 3 plus 1. It's 8 of them. We're actually heading to Kagineri Fort. Totally unexpected plans are actually going on right now, but I'm loving it. Never thought this could happen. The thing is, I never really, make friends with other riders while they come. I just, usual talks are fine, but then I never go on a ride with them. I hate these concrete roads, man. They're so slippery. I don't know if it's just me or I feel like tar is much better than this. Even now, I just know it's so slippery. കണ്ടു. ഓ, നമ്മൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡ് എത്തിയല്ലേ ഇപ്പോൾ? ಓಕೆ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್. ಗಜಕೇಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಿಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಶ್. ಓಕೆ. ಒಂದು ಗಜಕೇಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಫಿಲಮ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಶೂಟಾ?
ಕೆಲವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಶೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, I can finally increase my pace. It's because of the tar. I have a lot more confidence now. Okay, it's raining again. It actually feels good to ride in a group. Yeah. Yes, the off-road begins. This can't be that bad. Let's see how it is. I think we are going up there. Nice. ಇದು ಹೋಗಲ್ವಾ? വാ ബ്രോ, അത് പോവില്ല, തിരിച്ചു വാ. ಏನದು? ರೇಡಿಯೇಟರ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅದು. എന്താ പോവാണോ? ഓ, ഡ്രോണായിരുന്നോ? ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ചു ആ വണ്ടിയുടെ റേഡിയേറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കും ഒന്ന്. ഏൻ ബ്രോ മാടാതാ പോവാം. മല പോവോ? ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു അംഗം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് വന്നതേ ഉള്ളൂ.
എൻ്റെ ഒരു കിൽസ്വിച്ച് അടിച്ച് കിടക്കുവാണ്.
ನಂದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಬ್ರೋ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಾ? വീണോ? അവൻ പോയ ഒരു ഇത് വെച്ച് എനിക്ക് തോന്നി. Wow. Hi bro. We didn't go up there because it was very slippery. It's gonna look pretty much the same as in here. It's covered in fog, so there's no point in going over there. ഞാൻ അത് തന്നെ ഇപ്പോൾ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നു. Okay, anyways, we decided to walk. ഞാൻ പിടിക്കണോ? ഇങ്ങനെ വെച്ചാൽ ഇങ്ങനെ പിടിച്ചാൽ മതിയല്ലോ ഇങ്ങനെ. ഓക്കെ. Okay, we are heading back. It started raining so badly again, and we just did a lineup to take a photo. This is nice. The good thing is all of this is unexpected. We never knew this would happen. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna record this right now. I'll see you guys at the restaurant where we have food, maybe, and then we'll go back to our rooms. That's all. That's it for today, boys. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Actually, for you guys, it's gonna take a couple of minutes for me, but it's just a second for you guys. So bye. Alright, so we are going back to our room. Those guys are off to Bislegard. We can't really go to Bislegard because it'll be way too far from Bislegard to our room. It's gonna probably take us hours to reach our room. So that's why we decided to go back to our room. I think it's pretty much enough for adventures today. Alright, finally day 2 has come to an end. Oh my god, this is amazing. I believe this is where I say my outro, and thank you guys for the support. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.